So here you have about $half for completing a survey, and then this almost $1, and here you also have about $0.2, and you can even perform tasks as watching YouTube videos and get paid doing that. Hi guys, my name is Stanley Chima, and today's video I just want to show you quickly how you can start earning by performing some basic tasks like watching YouTube videos and then following Twitter account or even liking tweets, and you got to earn in dollar and withdraw your money no matter where you are in the world, even if you are in countries like Nigeria, Ghana, or Benin Republic, just like I'm currently in. So let's get down to the video immediately. So let's go over to this website here. I'll put the link in the description. That will be the first link in the description. So do well to click and sign up. So let me start the whole process by signing up. So I'll click on sign up. Now I want to sign up with Google. I think it just makes it a little bit faster for me. And I will click here or there. I just click continue with Google. Sign up with Google. And this is the account I want to use. Confirm. And I'm as good as signed up. Let me just open my email by the side. I think I would need to make a confirmation. Okay, so here I'm already signed up, and let's quickly start earning. I want to just complete this very quickly. This will give me $0.01 dollars, which is quite little, but let's just get on with that. So I would need to link my X account, my Twitter account to this, and to do that I will just click on link, and then later I will follow them. So let's just click I've read the conditions and then link. Now for this tutorial, I will just create a totally new Twitter account. I personally don't recommend using your regular Twitter account so that you will not be sharing tweets or doing things you don't want to do. So I'll just create this one instantly and then continue with it. I'll just click on this for Twitter, confirm. Oh, I can't even sign in. Okay, let me just give it any month of birth. I mean, this is not a real account. I mean, I'm not as old as this, but I think that can work. Okay, I use this name. It doesn't matter. It's actually my name. And this is what this should have been used. Okay, next. No, I don't want notification. At least 3. Just pick these 3. Just follow any account. Alright, so that is it for Twitter. Let me go back to the website. I'll just come here and see. So once I come back here, I'll simply scroll down a little bit to social media tags. You can click here to view all available social media tags, and then let me complete the link in here. Okay, so the first one I will do here, you can actually start from anyone, it doesn't really matter, but I'll start from the X own to follow this page on X. So to participate this offer, you must link. So let's complete the linking we were doing and click here. Yes, authorize. Alright, so we can go ahead and perform the task now since we're done with the linking. And the instructions are quite simple, just for you to follow the page. It's as simple as that. So yes, I've read the conditions and click on follow. So it should take you to the X page, and then you confirm that you have followed the account. So as you can see, I'm already following the account. So once I come back here, I'm already done with the job. And if I was to refresh my account now, my dashboard, so as you can see, the money has already appeared there. So that is it. So let's go ahead and do some other things that are very, very simple, like following a number of X accounts. So let's do that very quickly. I'll click on this and click on follow. So while that is loading, I can even do another one. I'll not follow these guys. Follow just to confirm the following. Okay, done. This is done. And this is done. So I'll go ahead and follow this one. I have to refresh the page. So you can go ahead and follow these all the Twitter pages and then get your payment there. And then another one here is Discord. You can actually join this Discord. And let me do that one very quickly. I think that's the one that is a little bit complicated in a way. Not complicated, but let's get on to that. So here there are three things you can actually link in: your X, Discord, and Telegram. But I'm just going to link that of Discord. Then for Telegram, I believe you can sort that out yourself. So to do that, I will just click on link, and I would have to create a Discord account right away. It shouldn't take a minute to do. And then no, register, and just use. So let me verify if I'm human. So this is the one that is odd. This is the one that is different. Okay, that should be account is not verified. Let me just go back and redo it again from here. Preferably, I think it's best to create the different accounts before you start linking them so that the whole process can be faster for you. But I'm doing this anyways. You need to verify your account. Okay, sorry, I've not verified my account here. I believe so. My Discord account, so I need to verify it. Go to my email and verify. Another human test. So this is the odd one, and then this, I believe. Okay, so here is the last verification for this, and I actually don't want to do this now because I already have used my number I have currently while making this video to verify. But just for you to know, once you do that, or let me go to my other account, I think the one I created yesterday. So here is the account, and then let's check under here, and see under my account, meant to see the social account. So under social account here, you can see I already have a Discord account connected, and I've not linked I've not linked Telegram rather yet. Okay, so that's just that. If you're able to do that, you can now perform the tasks very quickly. But let's just go back to this and do some other things. So the next thing I want to show you will be how to add your payments. I mean, how to receive your payments. I believe you could take your time and perform some of the tasks as watching YouTube and other things. But let's just see on how you can collect your payment. So as here you can see wallet is missing. So mind you can also do this with app. So I mean I'd work across both app and my computer, so you can do any one you want. So I will just go to add missing wallets and then connect wallet. Here you have a couple of options, I believe. So there is this MetaMask, or they also have their own wallet you could use, but I used Trust Wallet for mine, and can use Coinbase or anyone at all that you deem fit. It's as simple as that. So there are a number of things you can actually do here, like playing games and get paid, watching YouTube videos, liking and watching YouTube videos, which has a number of jobs there. So you can see all these. I could just click on this, which is very simple, or you can join this Discord like I showed you the other time, and a number of things to do here. So if I come here and click on this YouTube, for instance, and then the instructions are quite simple. Take the offer. Once you click on take the offer, that's it. Then you type in, you just simply go to the browser and search for this on your YouTube search bar. Then once you look for the video that has this. I personally simply copy this and search for it on YouTube, and you watch the full video at normal speed, that is 1 times, and then 1x. Then after watching the video, go to the description and then go to a website, I think, to sign up for the site or stuffs like that, which are just very simple things to do. Once you do that, you would get paid immediately. All right, guys, so this is just how you do that and then make your withdrawals. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. If you found the video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel or watch this video. I show you how you can sell social media, you create them, grow the account and sell them and make profits. Or if you're also looking for another platform where you can make money by commenting and liking on social media posts, you can also watch this video or check the link in the description. See you in another video. My name is Stanley Chima and I'm with Elamedia.